cooking up in the lab like I'm Rick and Morty. 40 power, hit a monster, turn your brain to pasta. Hit a opera, dread swinging just like I'm a roster. Smoking ganja, and I'm zooted, walking in my Pradas. Any nigga touch my gangster, nigga, I'm a popper. And we ain't throwing hands with you fuck niggas. It's when I'm top up in that chamber, better duck, nigga. Niggas pissing on a valley, he is slump, nigga. We shoot his body, then we lay him in that trunk, nigga. I know, bitch, that's for my life. I will never fall the nigga speaking on the play with it. That nigga gotta go, I'm really small, I can fit, but I'ma steal up that pole quick. Nigga think I'm pussy, you gon' have to show me y'all. Police always at my fucking crib. I don't tell them shit, I'm rapping about this fucking life that I'm fucking with, but I be cool and tryna focus on the fucking dividends. But if it's money on your head, well, I'ma fucking get it, man.
I swear I just got the upgraded version of this and it's still not letting me use it on two separate things. Alright, let's see. I'm just like posting up the link right now, yo. I'd love to see. It probably won't come back up to here. It already tested that. All right, let's check out. Way too loud. Okay, need to relax over here with that synth. Way too loud. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. I haven't looked at the comments. I'll look at them right now. Yo, what up, Jay? Top of the morning. 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 Oh. All right. That was a great entry candle for Nas. Entry here, stop loss up here. That's nice. Get in right after this close, stop loss above this wick and above this structure. Stop loss somewhere around here after this candle closed, and then look, just straight profits. That's pretty nice. That's the retest of the structure. All right. Let's see. Nas, we're not gonna. I'm just, you know, I might just look. Why? It's just crazy. I might just look at this. Yo, I said gold to the moon a while ago. Oh, it's dropped since. Never mind. When I said gold to the moon, it was like over here. Or actually, it was like over here. No. Starting to settle out again. I don't even trade gold. I don't know why I'm looking at it. GJ, I don't really trade GJ. I think this was actually on here like a month ago, 2 months ago. Oh yeah, a month ago. Yeah. Look at that structure. Wow. Beautiful. Damn, Nas is on the rise, seen it? Jeez. Let me get over on this real quick. All the ladies in the place. This is gonna say session disconnected. Let's check the news. April 19th was the last time I checked on this computer. Notice how I went back a day or 2 days because I wanted to see what this ended up being. Alright, so we'll get volume at 2 for sure. Leave that there for a second. If y'all can peep this or peep this. Hey. Oh wow. Oh wow. Damn, Nas had a nice sell pattern on it. I'll show y'all over there in a second. Turn it down a little more. Yeah, so for me, I want to see things come up before. I'm definitely looking for sells on both Nas and on US 30, but I want to see things come up, you know? I don't want to rush anything. I don't want to get in anything that doesn't make 100% sense to me on a high enough time frame. So yeah, yesterday's sales were beautiful. That's the only bad thing about doing this once a week is like can't guarantee I'm gonna get something I actually like on Wednesday. Yesterday was just nice, and it was at like 12:26 or something I called it. So maybe I'll stay on here a little later today and see if we get something after open. But I'm definitely looking for it to come up to a point of resistance. Maybe yeah, I definitely want to see it come up to at least US 30, at least 33, like 60 area, and up to like 33,105 area, 110 area. So that's what I want for US 30. I'm just gonna go like this. I'll get in the group, the comment section in a second again. Do y'all have any questions or anything? We're just hanging out. We're just hanging out, man. We're just chilling. Bro, Nas is like, no, I'm just gonna drop. There shall be little to no pullbacks today. That's what Nas is saying right now. But Nas is also at a pretty strong point of resistance. Support. So if it breaks that point of support, which is literally like where it's at now, at the 13,600 area, it'd have to really break below 578, 580 area, 13,578, 580 area, and that's a big deal. It's already breaking below or like tapping, you know, another point of support here. Go ahead, draw a little trendy line here. That's a nice trend line. Oh yeah, we're breaking the trend line. Yeah. Yeah, we're breaking the trend line. So now it's coming back up to, it may not happen, at least not yet, like not anytime soon. We're coming back up to like that 700 area, would be cool. Yeah, basically retesting. I mean, it gave us that at 5 a.m. So it's a 1 hour too. Yeah, we just have to see what Nas would do. Maybe we'll break below that 580 area on Nas, and then I'm gonna show you all this on this computer in a second, and then retest that 580 area, and then take sells. We'll just have to see. I'd love to see like a strong push up to like 700 area, 705 area, and then get a stop loss of like 725, 730, something like that. Like nice little 20-point stop loss. Yeah, that looks about right. About some stuff I would potentially take if volume looked good and some patterns were nice. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna look at the comments here in a second. Let's see. There's another entry. So potentially coming to this trend line. It's very similar to what I already had with the structure. Probably would be a little lower. Maybe something like this. Depends. We'll see what happens. Alright, let me check these comments. I'll be right back. Alright. Hope love is blessing you, bro. I appreciate that. You won't be going to the summit this year. Oh, why not? I'm not sure if I'm going, but why not? GJ, I should have held those sells yesterday, man. You called a 1 to 17. Yo. Yeah, no, I knew there was a lot of potential in that trade, but I was just happy with it. Yeah, because this was yesterday's trade. Right here. Break the law, take what's mine, then take some more. It rains, it pours. watching and waiting. That's it. Might not get anything. I mean, unless we get 930 volume, but 830 is kind of showing its face a little bit. And we'll get 930 volume. It's just a matter of if we get a nice pullback for entry or not. Literally just chilling, y'all. If y'all have any questions, let me know. Turn this up a little bit. I don't think we'll get banned for this music because it's like lo-fi, so I don't know if it'll detect it or think it's like that big of a song. It sounds a little different, so. They just keep dropping. Nas is like, I'm out. Here we go. US 30. That's kind of ugly. That's better. It's a nice 1 hour close. Even a retest of 33,000 would be alright, but not really. Retest of 33,000 on US 30 would be alright, but it's not enough for me. I want another trade like yesterday, you know? 1 to 12, I think it was. I just need all the energy from the summit. Plus, I just need all the energy from the summit. Plus, I like to stay low key. Oh, I just don't need all the energy from the summit. Plus, I like to stay low key. Yeah. Yeah, I feel that, bro. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What is the entry price? Don't know why my quality is bad. I didn't even call no entry. I mean, this is an idea here. You can see the somewhere around 700. This around 725, 730, somewhere around there. We'll see. We'll see if we get any type of volume on. This is on NAS, and then on US 30. Kind of what we're looking at here. Potentially could probably catch it off the 33,000 with 930 volume if it does come back up. You see this tested at 33,000, quarter point to the T, and continued back down. Only by what, 60 points, but yeah. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. How much percent you average per month? No idea. The GOAT was good. What's up, Paul? Top of the morning. But yeah, I mean, what I've realized is with a lot of like funded accounts, you don't want to make over. You don't want to make, I think, like 15% at most. Because if you're on a 400K account, that's 60,000. You know, if you're on a 600K account, that's 90,000. And a lot of these, you know, a lot of these prop firms, like just man, just make 10% a month, and like you wanna fly under the prop firms' radars. You don't want to do what I did and have a 100K day on one trade on a 400K account, which I still have no idea who's done that. I don't think anybody else has had a 100K day on a prop firm that I know of. 101K in 12 hours on a 400K account, whilst never risking more than like 3% at any one time, taking multiple positions, scaling in. So. On that ride. Then I split it with the guys. Exactly, Jay. Exactly. No, so that's what I'm saying. Is that I did that, and they never fucking paid me out. So this is a firm that doesn't exist anymore because I got investigated by the Australia, basically like Security and Exchange Commission, and yeah, they don't exist no more. It's funny, they thought they could fuck me over, and then like a month later they're gone. They're gone, and then fucking probably got criminal charges and shit. So it's so funny because the owner would come on live and be like, "Hello, everybody," like all happy and shit, you know, and like all like excited and like, yeah, this is the best thing ever. And it's like, bro, no, it's not. No, it's not. So. Yeah, they so what happened with them is they say 48-hour payout and everything like that. That's what they said. And I won't even mention the name of the firm. It's not even worth mentioning. They don't even exist anymore. But yeah, they were like, yeah, 48-hour payout, blah, 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 whatever. I had a 115K payout on a 400K account, and I was like, all right, cool. Let's do it. And I went to get the payout, and 10 days go by, and I they're just saying, oh yeah, we're processing. Oh yeah, just like delaying me right after, since day one. Like I was on it. I was like, yo, just put in my thing. But I was talking to support the whole time, these like 9-10 days, and they just kept giving excuses basically. And then they send me back, and then like I'm just like blowing up this whole time, because I'm like, bro, it's been 4 days, it's been 6 days, it's been 8 days, you know, it's been 9 days, and I wanted to get it and be like, boom, look, got the payout, like you know, this prop firm's dope, go get, you know, go to him, but go get a challenge from him. But yeah, day like 10 or something, they send me an email finally, and they say, I have the email still, and they say something along the lines of, oh, you violated a stipulation in our contract stating that it was like 10-4A whatever, you know, bullshit they could pull out of their ass, basically trying to say, oh, I was over leveraged, and they don't want to take that amount of risk. I was like, bro, I never risked more than 3%. Like, I was so meticulous about this, and it's just what they realized was that it goes a step further too. So they tell me in that email, oh yeah, you won't be receiving your payout, and we're perma banning you from using our services. That's when I was like, when I read that in the email, I'm like, whoa, motherfucker. They deleted my account on the website, and all the messages I had with support and everything gone. Couldn't even, there was, as if I didn't even exist, as if I never existed. And I was like wow, that's fucking crazy. And that's when I realized, you know, it wasn't because I violated any rule or anything like that, and I already knew that, but that confirmed it for me. It's because I was a damn good fucking trader, and they knew that I'd be able to do that shit again, and they didn't want that. They didn't fucking want that. They don't want somebody to go in there and make, you know, 100K on 115K on a 400K account, you know, getting like 100K payout basically. So it's like, they don't want that shit, bro. They don't want you doing that. You're fucking up their margins, you know, and at least most prop firms don't want you doing that. Most prop firms don't care about the fucking traders. But yeah, so that was a fucking lesson to me, and I was like, wow, it's so funny and it's crazy. So I'm like, well, yeah, the goal of prop firms is to use prop firms, get some money, go into a personal account. That's ideal. That's ideal. Wow, how sad, wow, how shady. Which prop firm was it, if you don't mind me asking? Yeah, it was a prop firm called The Prop Trading, and they literally don't exist anymore. So yeah, I'm sure like if their owner isn't doing like 10 years in prison or something, because they put on their Instagram that they were being investigated and blah 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 blah, and they would be back up soon, and their website then went down, and then never to be heard from again. And I was like, bro, anybody that ever played with me never ended up in a better situation, and they fucking played with me. So there you go. I didn't have to do nothing. It just happened. That's how God works. It's just like, nah, nope, can't get away with this. What you thought? Was CEO a girl? Not that I know of. I always saw this guy on their page talking. I mean, he could have been like a representative or like a partial owner or something. I don't know how many owners there were, but he talked like he was the owner. So karma, exactly. You took them down under. Yeah, Australia, right? That's funny. All right, cool. We're getting some volume to the upside. I'd love to see us touch this trend line. Maybe this area here, this set 3370 area, 3365, all the way up to 3395, basically. But yeah, that shit was whack. I was like, and I was 1.2 funded with them. I was funded 1.2 mil. I had 3 400K accounts with them. So I did that on one account. You know what I mean? So like, I did that on one account, and I had two other 400K accounts. They're both in profit, so I was like, wow, cool, bro, cool. And now I know. Not to get into anything, but if y'all know, y'all know. Now I know I was set up for that, you know, because somebody that recommended me for them kind of already knew how it was with them, and like didn't give me the heads up. But yeah, but he had already gotten a payout or two, so I was like, okay, cool, or at least he said he did. And I was like, okay, cool, they pay out, it's cool, blah blah blah. And yeah, but yeah, FTMO, you know, you want to deal with firms like that are huge. FTMO, you know, obviously Fortunes. Like my thing is like, what's their ability to pay? Do they have the ability to pay? Or do they have a substantial network that they're marketing to? Like FTMO, my Forex funds, obviously Fortunes, like I said. Like what's the integrity of the people behind it too? So that's a huge thing. You know that, then you need to know everything you need to know. Yeah, the funded trader as well. I feel like MFF and FTMO are industry standard. Fortune's coming up. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, bro, Fortunes is taking over, bro. Oh my god. Wait till y'all hear what's going on, bro. Wait till y'all hear what's gonna be offered. It's gonna be crazy. Wait till y'all hear what's gonna be offered. I don't even know if I can say it right now, but let me see. Let me see if I can say it. Let me see. I don't know if they should be announcing something special today. Damn, bro, Nas is just getting as old. Nas had a nice entry during London at 5 a.m. That was a nice entry, where it spiked up to like 690 area. Could have had a 5-point stop loss on that. That's nutty. Maybe 10 points. Yeah, I've been doing like 2 workouts a day. Oh my goodness, crazy. Oh man. Oh, FTMO doesn't allow index trading anymore? What? Yeah, I never used FTMO, bro. Yeah, reasons like that are why I feel like stacking funded accounts isn't the move. Rather just use one or two to run up a couple bands to toss in a personal. Yeah, exactly. Like, I think having a couple funded accounts, you know, on different firms is a good idea, and you're kind of like hedging the risk there, and just keep your payouts conservative. Don't try to be the guy that goes for the biggest payout like I did. I learned that the hard way. Like, I was gonna have the biggest payout for that firm ever, and yeah, and it only took me like 3 tries to get that trade. It's crazy because that trade, bro, during that trade, we went up to like 97,000 in profit. And I say we, like anybody else was doing it with me, but I went up to 97,000 in profit. And then we retraced back down to like 33 or something crazy like that. And then went all the way back up. And if I would have held it, it wouldn't have fucking mattered anyways. I didn't get any of the money, right? But if I would have held it, it'd been like a $250,000 trade. It'd been like 250, 270, something like that. Maybe close to 300, if I remember correctly. But yeah, if I would have held it like for like another hour, it would have been like 170K trade. And then if I'd have held it for another like, I think it was like 6 to 8 hours, it would have been like, yeah, 250 or 270, I think, if I remember correctly. But yeah, I knew it would at least be a $250,000 trade. Just wild. On a 400K account at proper risk management, not even fully risking the 5% daily drawdown. Because I was taking entries, letting it drop, letting it retest structure, taking more entries, stop loss at break even on the first entries, letting it drop, so on and so forth. So that's yeah, about to hit Fortunes now. Just wait till the end of the day. I mean, if you want to get an account right now, then do it, but just trust me, I think wait till the end of the day. I'm trying to see if I can say it or not. Yeah, but just wait till the end of the day, because there's something special coming from Fortunes that's gonna fucking change the game for real. I think they're supposed to be dropping it today. I just asked if I could mention it, but yeah. I don't want to ruin the surprise, you know, but it's gonna be dope. I'm really excited for those to be released. Wow. Nas is Bling blow. Hey Paul, I didn't say nothing. Paul, I did not say nothing. I will neither confirm nor deny. I'm about to join Fortunes Funding for Spanish Ambassador soon. Nice. Do it. You do pay attention, Paul. You do. Good stuff. I like that. Bling blow. Blink blow. Guys, we're just waiting. We're just waiting. We're just hanging out. Waiting to see if we get what we want to get. If not, then we're just chilling. And it might come up later in the day. You know? Trades didn't happen until like 12:30 yesterday when I called that. And as Carter said, moved the market. Try to turn the music up so we can all jam just for a bit. Questions in a second. Like Sopranos. Alright, do you trade London and New York or just one? Typically just New York. Typically. But every once in a while I'll trade London as well, or look at London. And then Asian I'll look at too. I'll look at Asian session, like open, and a little bit into Asian session before London opens up, before I go to bed, and just see where things are at and see what I could see potentially setting up. So yeah. Price could shoot up if you look at Thursday, May 4th. It bounced off 32,946 roughly and skyrocketed up. I'm still looking for my sells, but I got my eye out for that. Let's see. right here. I gotta stay in my zone. Yeah. Didn't even have to look. 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 Oh my god. 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 That's how you know you've been doing this shit. When you can just draw up some structure and it's perfect. Look at all that. Look at literally with the closures of this. Beautiful. Oh my god. Yeah, this is a place that definitely likes to bounce off of. Look at that. Listen. Boom, right down to this next structure. Comes up, hits this structure, comes down, retests this structure, comes up, tests this structure, comes up and tests this structure. I think this is just a massive structure in the daily or something. And then comes down, breaks through both these structures to come to this one, comes back up, little retest, comes down to this structure, comes back up, basically retests this one, comes down to the next one, breaks this one, comes back up to this structure. Crazy. This is the one we just drew, right? This one, I think. No. This one. Look at that. Look at that. Stop playing with me. Look at that. Let's see. Let's just give infinite examples. Here, here, in here, in here. Got right here. Up. Retest. Down. What with a limp? Oh my god. Boom, 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 boom. Down. Structure. Boom, boom. All through here. This is on the 4 hour too, so keep in mind, like, lower time frames, you're getting a lot of action around here. Yeah, that's a good call, Jay. Alright, so 9:30 volume is happening. It's happening. Wow. Wow, already 100 points. Let me see. If we break down, we're flying through, in my opinion. Yeah, I agree. I agree. You could take something, but I'm chilling, bro. Let it do what it does. Let it bang everybody else up, you know, in these low quality trades. Sell bias is playing out though. Oh yeah, we actually went right up to the 15. Yeah, if I'd have seen that, I might have gotten in at 33, like 28, 33, 25 area. Stop loss 33, 40, 33, 40. 10 point stop loss. I'd have been in and out. I'd have been in and out like that with a 1 to 7, 1 to 8. And just said, I'm gone. This isn't a good enough trade to hold. I mean, even though it could, break down and whatever, but 1 to 8, I'm chilling. I'm out. Get my 1 to 8, I'm out. But I also wasn't really caring to get involved at that level. I did call the 33,000 because I knew it could reject there. As you see, we grabbed over a little bit, but we did close on this one right at 33,000, 33,002. So there you go. $78.6. Looks like we might bust down Tatiana. But that's good. If we bust down, look for the retest of this area. $9.30 at 9:30. We're at 9:30 at 9:30. 9:30 at 9:30. 9:30 at 9:38. 9:30 at 9:38. My 9:30, yeah, my 9:38. Yeah, we're just watching this, man. We're just watching this. You had a little kind of low quality trade, on the 15-minute here. It was there for a second, for literally it was there for 20 seconds. If that. That was the entry. Anything above 33.20, stop loss 33.40. Hey Nas. Hey. Yeah, that resistance is catching up with Nas that I talked about. Look, I said if we could break that 580 area, we didn't break it. Tested it, and now this might be just a retrace. Check it out though. Check it out. US 30 is dropping, and we got a 38.2 on Nas right now. I don't know what the fuck is going on in the background. This lo-fi should be different. This could be decent. Let me see, Nas. Ice trade, got it. Say what's up. Money. Oh. You could take a sell on Nas. I'm not going to. I mean, this is an idea. Show you a little something. I'm not gonna take this. It's just not a high enough time frame. Confirmation to me. I mean, you have the sell bias. You have a decent entry on the lower time frames. Just like a low. Alright, he knew it got serious once I put that up. He was done. I would do something like this though. Get your best possible entry around here. Let's say you get it at 620. Stop loss. Something like that. And then US 30 was this right here. Obviously, like, you can't really get into this now. The Nas you can kind of get in. You know, somewhere around 620. Stop loss around 640. But it's really it's not a high quality trade, which is why I'm not getting in. It's like it's there, right? You can see, okay, bust down, It's like a lower time frame trade. The higher time frame, say, you know, could come back up. We do have a 38.2 on the 4 hour. So with this momentum, you know, this could be a great continuation trade, and could continue down once we break through this, continue down to the 27, then the 50. Personally, if I were to take this trade, take it at that 13,620, stop loss around 13,640, and oh wow, look, you can get a pretty good entry right now, 626. Stop loss around that 640 area, and then yeah, I would take this down probably to the. I'd take this down to like 520. Yeah, because if we break this, yeah, you'll be at 580. You have a good R to R. I mean, that'll be good. But if we break this, look, next resistance is really right here at the 13,505, 500 area. So I would take it to above this 50 at 518, 517, 516, 520. See what it does around there, and yeah, have stop loss at break even pretty quick. Let's see what US 30 is doing. All right, US 30 making lows, some new lows. See how that 15-minute closes. See if the push is real, you know. So you find out the push is real. 10-minute close beneath. See the 15. Interested to see what would happen with this. Oh, good 5-minute close. It's a good 5-minute rejection candle, but we'll see. If you're worried, I would have stop loss it if you're in this. Like I said, I'm not taking this. If you're worried, maybe stop loss 644, 645, but I'm not taking that. Oh, US 30 continuing down. Nice. You call me Gucci. What's more important than the trades you do take is the trades you don't take. It's called discipline. It's like the food you eat. What's more important than the food you eat is the food you don't eat. All right, let me see. I see a potential A+ setup with a lot of room to the downside for price to move. Yeah, don't get me wrong. Like, the idea is with this is you want to see it come down, come back up. What you want to see, guys, now with this US 30. All right, what you want to see is it come down and then retest. You want to see it retest this like 930 area. Let me get on the 5 minute. Hold on. And bullshit. Nas is looking pretty good. A Nas trade might play out. Yeah, so what you want to see with this? With US 30. What's on the balls? Yeah, I'd like to see a retest of like on US 30 is somewhere between 935 and 950. $935 to $960 even. Nas playing out. If you took it, you're in profit. Bitch on the balls. Bitch on the balls. Okay, US 30, go. I should have said, nah, we just gonna come up to the lowest point. 920, 919, and then continue down. That's really what it did. But we'll see on these higher time frames once it. Oh yeah, 15-minute close below. That's a great sign. It's 1 hour gonna be nice. Yeah, it's nice. It's on both. Want to drop some more and come back for the retest? Yeah, exactly. I agree. Amen. Amen. Say man. If y'all are on here right now, go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and like the video. Show some love. Yeah, just helps with the algorithm. So if you're on here right now, get them likes up for me. That 5 minute for Nas, gross. Doesn't completely invalidate it, but it's also at a 4 hour resistance or support point, so. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Yeah, I would say just keep an eye on this, guys. Just keep an eye on US 30 for that retest, and then to continue down. Look for it on like the 15 minute. It'll be like a solid, come down a little more maybe, and then come back up here, retest, or retest here or something. Retest this low, or retest this low. That kind of official retest kind of thing. Come back up here and then continue down. Tell me all about it. Yeah, Nas needs to break. Whoops. Nas needs to break that point. I guess we get rid of this. Jeez, US 30. I just said it, bro. You don't gotta give away my magical powers like that. Come on. You gotta make it so obvious. Jeez. DNA. In my DNA. I know just who you are. Kill the sorrows. Hold up, you didn't even have to say shit. I hate news. Oh. Would you trust it? I mean, alright, so hey, I didn't break on the 5 minute. Blah. Blah. 10 minute is alright. 15 minute is decent. This is a good like retest and rejection. This could, this could take its time if it's gonna go down. 30 minute close like that would be cool. Because structure, boom, 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 retest, boom, down. And keep in mind that is the 3082. So yeah, if you're in this trade, just be patient with it. You still got a good amount of stuff on your side. You got US 30 dropping, so yeah, you got the 3082, and you got a MA that nobody knows about. But it's alright. Harder than myself. Alright, so y'all know what I'm looking for. We didn't get that push up as much as I would like, which kind of expected. We're on a big drop right now, continuing a big drop. Nas is I don't even know if I'd want to look at Nas today. I mean, if you got in this, you're probably good to stay in, but I don't know, it's really not that high quality of a setup. Yeah, US 30, like I said, I'd be looking for something around 920 retest to 950 area retest. Yeah, 920, 950, somewhere in there. I'd start seeing where it was like kind of dying out, volume was dying out, and then you could potentially get back in there. And if this is the bottom, I don't know if it is, at least for right now, you can do something like this. Oops. Oh man, oops. Yeah, I'm tripping. Oh, Shariato. Feeling this home. $50. Basically a 50 or 61.8. Could get the 38 too. Could get the 38 too at 910 area. If you see resistance around here, not a bad idea. But again, just gets riskier the lower you are on your fib and further away from structure. Whipping in the phone and the tears keep rolling. Down to my core. Down to my core. I'd love to see like a 945 or like a 940 retest. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. Nas is just being Nas, but I mean, if you're in this, just hold it. If you risk 1%, you're good. Don't worry about it. You just gotta break that 4-hour support at the 580 area. Once you get below 580, should be off to the races. Down to 510 area. So yeah, that is what we are looking for. And with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make like a fetus and head out. Check these comments real quick. Hope we get a retest for an entry. Patience. I've become such a better trader just waiting for those high probability trades. Yeah, bro, like it's just quality over quantity, bro. Like moves, like there's so many moves every day, bro. And if you guys stay on the charts and watch US 30 and NAS for the next couple hours. So watch them till the next 3 hours. Watch it till 1. Honestly, you have meeting in minutes at 2, so maybe stay on till like 12:31 and then watch it at 2 as well. Get on at 2 and just see what happens and just watch it. And if you have a nice entry anywhere in there, then take advantage of it. But just make sure it's high quality, no bullshit. There you go with Nas. Nas is gonna probably break. Once we break below this, it's 590. If we can break below that, and then shoot through that 582, 580 area, that looks good. And then once you break this area, stop loss break even. Honestly, you could stop loss break even right now. Yeah, that's what I would do. I'd stop loss break even right now. I don't know which area you go in. Let's call 630. Yeah, I'd stop loss break even right now on NAS 100 if you got in, and let it rock. Let it rock. Yeah, already nasty R to R. All right, y'all. Well, there you go. You got a trade idea for NAS 100. Told you I wasn't taking it, but if you took it, there you go. And US 30, you know what I'm expecting or what I want to see at least. And if I don't get it, I don't get it. It's fine. Yeah, there you go, guys. This looks pretty good. This looks pretty good. Just got to break those higher time frame support zones, and then it's going to drop another 70 points. So, yeah. Alrighty, y'all. Well, appreciate you coming out. If y'all are interested in anything I do, link in my bio on my Instagram for signals, for mentorship, for my course. And yeah, there you go. You're welcome. Appreciate y'all, and yeah, I will see y'all later. Oh yeah, there you go, Nas. There you go, Nas. There you go, Nas. There you go, Nas. Yeah, it looks good. Was a little, you know, a little hesitant right here, but that's expected because of this. There you go. There you have it. US 30 still dropping. Yeah, things are gonna drop for sure. But all right, y'all. Peace and blessings. Appreciate y'all, and have a good day. See you guys.